It's Friday and we're doing a Aussie barbecue work day. And we've got the master chef, Mick, who's our boss, and he's cooking it up for us.
We've got Wagyu burgers.
Yep.
And got old Aussie sausage in bread.
That's it. So what's the difference between an Aussie sausage and a normal sausage?
Very little.
What's the key? What's the key to cooking it well?
Get your barbie nice and hot. These are the Wagyu burgers there, mate.
Wow.
From Kelly's Meats in Tooradin.
What was that? Kelly's Meats?
Kelly's Meats in Tooradin.
Okay. Oh, that looks nice.
No, I'm off.
Oh, okay. Only 200. Mixed sausage. Tasty?
Too easy.
Big cooks are good sausage.
Yeah?
Yeah, very good.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe for future content. Ciao for now.